everyone! It's me, Veronica. So, kakagising ko lang talaga. Plus, I just washed my face, brushed my teeth, and wore something appropriate. Because today's event is I will be opening this package I received. My mom gave me this a while ago, feeling it, and I didn't know what it was. And then I felt like there was like a poster here. So I was like, I have waited almost a month for this, and now let's open it. This is the BTS Love Yourself tier. I got Y and R from Crystal Snow PH, so thank you so much for that. This inside this send package, and it says, please handle with care. Now that I have opened it, there is, wait, it doesn't want to go out. Okay. Oh, it's together like this. Oh my god. And it's even in bubble wrap. Let us first open the posters. Comment down below if ever you're a fan of BTS what your favorite song in the album is. Because mine is The Truth Untold. Like when I first heard it, I had goosebumps, no joke, not gonna lie. And I cried. Every time that Jungkook says, but I still want you, girl. Oh my gosh. The feels, I'm telling you, the feels. It's a good song to listen at this type of weather because it's raining and you know that Senti mode, burn, ganun. So, oh my, oh. I want to cry already. Okay. Oh my god, my babies. Tada! This is the Y. It's the Y. Let's get the other one. Oh! Beautiful, beautiful. It's a beautiful. Look, whoa! It's a baby. It's the R naman. Oh my gosh. I want to get everything, but of course, hello, I don't have money. Now, let us go to this. And let's see who I got for the photo cards. Now, I opened it already. Oh my gosh. So this is the first thing that I see. Let us open it right now. Oh my god, it's a baby! Look, it's a baby! Oh, it's photo cards of Jin in Kigayo. It's one of the music shows, music award shows. And oh, in the back. Whoa! I can't place it all together, but it's, can you see it? It's Jin. It's Jin. So, these are all of them. RM, Jin, who's this? J-Hope, Jimin, and this is Jungkook, and then this is V and Sugar Baby. Here, I won't take it out since it's only one. This is the R version. And then this one is the Y version. This one is the Y. The CD is the pictures, the photos, everything. By the way, here. Look. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Oh my god, look, they're so cute. When I turned the page, oh look, wait, it's a baby, it's a worldwide handsome baby. Here is the, oh, it's so beautiful. I will scan through the photos later on. Now let's go to the R version. If I buy an album for something, especially like BTS or any other artist, it means that I really value them so much, because I'm not the type of person who buys albums anymore. The only albums that I buy, of course, is Celine Dion only, and Troye Sivan. That's it. Next is BTS, so that means I value BTS so much. This is the R version. Now let's go. Oh my gosh. Again, CD. Another transparent photo of them again. I got Beep. I got Kim Taeyong. Oh my god. He's a baby too. And then this is the photo shoot where they were like crying. They're still so beautiful even though they cry. If I cry, that is all for today's video. I do hope you enjoyed. It's my first time doing an unboxing of anything actually, and if you want more unboxing videos, please comment down below. I want to thank Crystal Snow PH again. Thank you so much for these. You are amazing. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and tell me if you're a fan of BTS too, and comment down also below who's your bias, because mine is Jin. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on all of my social medias. Thank you so much, and see you guys soon. Bye! Mwah.